Okay, let's talk about grades. This is in your Canvas, so you will be free to look at this at any time. Just so you know, our breakdown of categories: tests are 35%, classwork is 40%, quizzes are 25%, and homework is 5%. So, progress reports are due by October 12th. That is 2.5 weeks away. Report cards grades need to be turned in by November 12th. So, if you go to the next page, I went through, I have not graded everything, but these were all assignments that were due by September 27th. If you do not see your number under the assignment, then you have not turned it in. I went ahead and I reopened all the assignments until Wednesday. So if your number is not with the assignment, you have until Wednesday night to complete it. All right, let's take a look. So if this was Miss Kolova, I tried to put her name with it. So she did an activity with you last Thursday. What is your name? Okay, I believe some of you sent me pictures and some of you actually turned it in. Your types of sentence quiz. Okay. Identify types of sentence. Got quite a few for this one. Okay. The parts of speech classwork. The parts of speech quiz. The video response to contextual influences. I have one. Thank you, Paulina. Your graphic organizer about theme. Your theme chart. What is your why redo? Let me remind you, you cannot get into Module 4 until this is complete. And then you had a mystery suspense document you needed to answer questions on. Okay, so there's quite a few of you that are missing work. We need to get this done, okay, because once I sync Canvas to PowerSchool, which will be this week, then it's going to look ugly. Okay.